Exclusive tour
Okay,
times.
now I think we're going to collect our luggages. And then that's it. He's there. Yeah. Okay. Mga ka-vibes, magandang umaga. So, ayun. Breakfast natin. Yeah. Tapos, syempre, kape. Tea. Tapos, sinigation ng fruits lang daw sa akin. At madaling po. It's 6 o'clock. But it's raining outside. It's raining. So, kain muna tayo. Naubo. Okay. So, saging later. Ito, meron pala silang black pudding. Hindi ko nasubukan yung black pudding. First time, black pudding. So, parang black pudding pala yung biyak. Yung slice nila. Sa atin is Betamax. Good. Ang gusto ko sa breakfast nila mga vibes, ito nga mushroom. Parang wala naman siyang lasa pero mushroom eh. Tapos ito malalaking sausage yata ito or spam. Pabilog kasi. Spam pabilog. Tapos mayroon siyang beans. Siyempre, normal. Siyempre, hindi tayo sa itlog. Ito naman ay scrambled. Yeah. So yan po ang breakfast natin mga ka-vibes. Alright mga ka-vibes, magandang umaga. So today is the disembarkation day. So stay in tune kayo kung paano po yung steps para tayo bababa ng barko. Na-prepare na po natin yung bagahe natin kagabi, so naiilabas na natin. Iba pala sa P&O. Kasi yung P&O, yung may tag na tayo, so hindi na namin tinanggal kagabi. So nangyari, hindi din nila kinuha yung aming bagahe kasi may ibang steps sila pala. So nagbigay sila ng bagong tag kasi yung MSC, so every port kasi yung setup nila disembarkation at saka embarkation. So para siguro hindi maghalo, so iba yung tagging ng embarkation and disembarkation. Di katulad ng P&O na pag embarkation lahat, at saka isa lang din yung disembarkation day nila. So panoorin nyo po mga vibes kasi mahalaga din po na malaman ng konti. Siguro hindi ko naman ma-inform yung detalye talaga, but I will try. Okay, so stay in tune. See ya. Last glance sa room. Last glance. Ayan. Kung wala nang naiwan, last glance. Kung wala nang naiwan, hello, bye bye. Okay, so we're going.
Nanti pasok. Pasok na yung
Nasakay na siya. Country are you from?
Nicaragua.
Nicaragua, so George. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, George.
see fun. Okay,
Bye. This is the casino, and this is our exit area. Pang 7. So bye bye casino. And we get around over here. People over there. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna wait for exit for them. Over here, mommy. So that's the disembarkation information, Southampton. So we are on number 10, so 845, carousel 7. So this is it. Carousel 7.
You're a good man.
Alright, mga ka-vibes, so they are calling already the disembarkation for Champagne, I think. Yep. So still, yeah, 8:45 pa naman. So we still got like 20 minutes. Okay, so this one is a good one. And we've never been here. And that's very good. Cozy area. And we got this pool. Yeah. Okay. This is the occasion time.
The number of 45, we will get also this number to exit. Take 5 midship. Just follow my colleague Brandon and we are going to exit together.
Okay. So this is just like the assembly area. Yeah. So we're still moving. It's a runway. So this is the assembly area. Calling the carousel 7, 8:30. But number 5. We are number 14. So it's not yet. It's not yet because we are number 14. We are number 14. Number 14. We are number 14. So, yeah. So it's raining outside, mga kabibs. Yeah. Okay, so we are now on the lounge. Waiting area. Dito po, puro parang just yung pinakatugtog dito palagi. We call it carousel. The carousel lounge. Okay, so they're calling 14 already. I don't know. So bye bye carousel. See you again. So we're following the lollipop man. There. So we're following him. Number 14. Yep. Bye bye. Number 14 is there. Okay, so we're going out now. Yeah. That's number 14. That's it. We're going out now. Having the fight for the last time. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, please.
Thank you. That's it. Okay, now I think we're going to collect our luggages. And then that's it. Who is there? Yeah. Oscar, Osita, or Exit. That's it. So we are 18 or 14. So let's get the number 14. And then let's go out. Dapat meron pa tayo. Kaya na tayo na. We will get the thing first. I think I need to go outside. Ah, it's over there. Ah. 18. Okay. So this one, 20. Oh no. Just this one. Oh no. It's not. Oh, this here. Okay, we found it. So yan. Tapos sigat lang na. Okay. Ah, okay. Yeah. We are going all the bag. We got all the bags. So we're going up. We out. Yeah. Let's go way out. That's it. Bye bye. Radio. Okay, so one more thing mga kabarbs, kasi nandito na tayo sa labas, nakatulad na sa misis. So gagawin natin yata, kunin muna natin yung sasakyan or mag-taxi tayo patungo doon para isa na lang. Tingnan natin. Ay, kagandahan talaga guys ng MSC. Hindi naman every port that they get their own facilities like this one, Subic. Yeah. Sa Burgess yata mayroon silang building pero parang hindi sa kanila, at saka yung sa France kasi parang common yun sa France yung sa La Herbe. Yeah? Naalala nyo pa yung La Herbe. Pero sa the rest, yung sa Hamburg meron silang sariling facility na parang SMC lang talaga. Tapos yung dito, Southampton, at saka yung sa Netherlands. Yan yung mga kabarbs. Malaki. So mayroong taga Southampton na dito na nag-welcome. Ayan, so mga kabarbs, yun po ang plano talaga. So talaga kukunin ko muna yung sasakyan. Yep. Mabili lang naman eh. So mga gagawin natin mga 9:20. So more or less ano yan, 10 to 15 minutes. Tapos syempre pick upin natin siya. So at least mayroon tayong last glance. Ulan, madaling lakaran lang. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Ulan. Last time, nagpino tayo, umuulan din. So, this time, ulan. Ulan. Yes. Yes. Kaya nga mga kabay, so nilakad nila. Ayan. Yun na. Ayan na. Tapos mga kasi masa tayo na 20, diba? So gusto ko kung patay na tayo. Bilis na tayo maglakad. Okay. No hotel.
Muscle.
Yeah. Okay. Hindi ka lang doon tayo lima. Tumawid eh. Yan, nakita ko yung ikliya. Ito kasi siya magulit. Yun ang tayo natin. Yung iba pala mga kabibes. So siyempre hindi pa nila disembarkation day, pero gusto nilang mamasyal din sa London or dito lang sa Southampton kasi may mga package din ng tour katulad ng ginawa natin sa Burj, sa Belgium. Or mayroon ding mga parang ano lang siya, yung shuttle lang papuntang main ng Southampton. Okay. Yan mga kabibes, nandito na tayo sa ating parking area. Let's pray. So ano lang siya eh, ano oras na ba? 9:35. So mga 15 to 20 minutes na lakad. Alright. Okay mga kabibes, nandito na tayo. So hanapin na natin yung nasaan na i-park yung sasakyan natin. Nakakapangalat eh. So magbabayad muna tayo ng parking. Kung nasa yung parking dito po ako na. Lagay natin ang ticket. How much? 42 for a week. So we're paying 42. That's good. Yeah, mas okay na ito mga kabibes kaysa magbabayad ka ng 122 doon sa mismong sa pier mismo. So 42 122 so may 80 kang na-save. Hello, ayan. Okay. Oh. welcome home! So, yan po mga ka-vibes. Hanggang sa susunod na pagbiyahe. Sama kayo ulit. Okay. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye!